Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will write a very basic application that uploads a file to a specific upload folder in Flask. First, I'm going to import OS. From Flask, import Flask, flash, request, redirect, URL for and util from utils import secure file name. And now I'm going to set the upload folder where we are going to upload our files. Upload folder. For me, this will be home asm uploads. I have this directory created under asm folder. And now I will set allowed extensions, the extension of files that we can allow user to upload. Allowed extensions. I will just allow images file for now. PNG, JPG, JPEG, and GIF. Now create our Flask app. Flask name. And config our upload folder. App.config. Upload folder. And it is set to upload folder. Now I'm going to define a function which will check if these files are allowed to upload. So it's going to be define check file name. We are going to check the extension of the file. To see if it is allowed to upload. Return in file name and file name dot or click one. We are checking the extension lower in our allowed extensions. And Now I'm going to define a route. App dot route, and set the method get. So get and post requests can be sent. Get and post. Now I will define a function which will handle the upload of file. Maybe define file upload, and we are going to check if the post request has the file part and also if the request is of type post. So it's going to be request dot method is post. If the request is of type post, we are going to check if the post request has the file part. If file not in request dot files, then we are going to show the message flash no file part found. And we are just going to return redirect to the request URL. If we have a file in our post request, then we will get that file. File request dot files, and get the file. And now we are going to check if user does not select file. Browser can also submit an empty part without file name. So we need to check that. We are going to do that by using if file dot file name is empty, we can print out the message flash no file selected. And we are going to return and redirect to request URL, request dot URL, and if file and allowed now we are going to check the extension of a file. So we are going to call our check file function, check file, and pass in our file name, file dot file name, now we need to retrieve the file name as a secure file name. It's going to be file name by calling secure file name file dot file name, and we can save a file now. File dot save os dot path dot join app dot config, and this will be a upload folder, and also the file name. So this file will be saved to our uploaded folder that we set. File name, and at the end I'm just going to print uh, the HTML code, the form from where we can upload the file. So this will be doc type HTML, and our title file upload example, and our heading upload file, and now comes our form. Method is set to post, and encoding type is a multi-part from data. This is for file upload. And now input type is set to file, and name set to file, and input type set to submit, value set to upload. And we just need to close the form now. And our spring. Just need to save our code. This should be a comma. This equal sign is missing over here. Let's reverse that. Need to close the title over here. Now we can run our Flask app by using export Flask app is set to uploads.py, and then we can type Flask run to start our app. And this is the URL we need to go to. And when I request this URL, this forms comes up. I will just refresh again. And from here, we can select our file. I will search for images file on my system because we are allowing only images file. I will select this one. It is selected. Now I can click on upload. And I hope that file is uploaded. We can go to our directory and check. This is my upload folder. I can use ls-l with the folder to check the content of the folder, and just hit enter, and we can see that image is uploaded to our directory. So this way you can upload file in Flask. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.